This video shows how to play karaoke songs in Tesla. We can play karaoke songs in half-screen mode while driving, and in full-screen mode when parked. All we need is an Android phone, and we install the Tesla Display app in the phone. Open the app. Click the Start button. Choose Phone Screen and Image Mode. Now we turn to Tesla. First, we need to make sure that Tesla is connected to our Wi-Fi hotspot. Then, in the web browser, we access https://d9.cc7777. We can see the phone screen in Tesla's browser. Now we open the Karaoke app in our phone. Choose a song and play it in full screen. Now we can enjoy the karaoke while driving. Thank you for watching. You can install the app using the links below this video. The app is free.